पानी नहीं आ रहा है, कई बस्तियों में पानी नहीं है, कृष्णा में पानी सूख गया बोल रहे हैं, और गोदावरी के वाटर्स के लिए बराबर नहीं है, एंड प्रॉपर लेवल्स आर नॉट बीन मेंटेन सर. And every year, sir, a meeting used to be called, and every year, sir, in this house, I remember, sir, any government who used to be, whether Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, they used to announce the summer contingency plan. And this time, no summer contingency plan has been discussed or announced, sir. Sir, ये कैसे पानी कैसे करेंगे? So, I mean, these are the things, the summer contingency plan has to be there in place. Whether it is for the rural areas or for the urban areas, whether it is for the Hyderabad city or any other city, whether it is for new city of Hyderabad or old city, sir, we have to have a summer contingency plan, sir. We are not having a summer contingency plan, sir. Levels are not being maintained, sir. And still, sir, in Hyderabad and in old city, many areas are unserved areas. What does this unserved areas mean, sir? Unserved area means there is no water pipeline laying in that particular locality. So what in the summers they do, they use tankers, and through tankers they supply the waters to the unserved areas. And this is also a part of summer contingency plan. But unfortunately, there is no summer contingency plan. Nothing has been discussed. Sir, in this holy month of Ramzan, so people fast and water timings has to be maintained. No proper water timing is being maintained, sir. And you know, sir, no levels are being maintained. And I have to give an example of my constituency, sir. Balapur Reservoir and Ballagoda Reservoir, the levels are not being maintained, sir. There is a shortage of water, and all the people who are fasting are regularly calling us and informing us and saying that pani ka masla hai, sir, pani nahi aa raha hai, pani nahi aa raha hai. So through you, sir, I request the government to kindly look into this important issue, sir.